Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Largo, Florida. Sometimes I say in my advertising, no job too big or too small. Well, this is one of my bigger jobs. This is a 99 Freightliner, and it is used to pull the Winnebago over there. And this single stage paint, which actually has gone through several different paintings through the years, it was a challenge, but I just wanted to let everyone know that I do ceramic coatings, which this truck has gotten a complete true ceramic coating from Dallas Paint Correction. And this paint was white, chalky, just absolutely shot about a week ago. Pick up some of that sunshine, and I've got the trees in the distance so you can see the absolute reflection there. But I did a complete aluminum polishing job on the Alcoa wheels. I also polished all of the diamond plate that you see here, polished all of the metal works along the way, polished out the aluminum guards there for the rims, and polished out. I've had it parked under a tree today, so there are a bunch of leaves on it. This job was stretched out over several days, so some of it isn't as stunning, and I'm on the shady side here, which also is not quite as stunning. Whoops, sorry about that. I was trying to get a nice pick up there of the reflection in the doors. Everything all polished out with the paintwork. Everything's been coated, and I've really enjoyed working on this vehicle. If I can help you in any way, shape, or form with any of your detailing needs, please contact me, and I thank you very, very much. Until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Take care.